Here's a fast and easy way to creating speech bubbles in Adobe InDesign. Let's start by creating a text frame using the text tool. Click anywhere on the page to draw the text frame, which will automatically create an insertion point. Then go up to Type and select Glyphs. At the bottom of the menu, scroll until you find Webdings. You will find a number of speech bubbles among the many icons displayed there. Click on one that you like. Your selection will immediately appear in the text frame you have previously drawn. Using the selection tool, go up to Type and choose Create Outlines. This will turn the Webding text into an object. You can then adjust its size, color, and stroke thickness. Then with the Direct Selection tool, drag one of the corners to make it longer, like a tail. Go back to the Text tool and select a suitable font from the top menu. Click inside the bubble to type in your text. You can remove the hyphens by unticking Hyphenate in the paragraph elements above. With the Selection tool, right-click on the speech bubble. Click on Text Frame Options. In the menu, you can fine-tune the inset spacing and alignment to your preference. Tweak the size of the bubble and the alignment of the text as necessary. And voila, you have your speech bubble. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you have found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.